Good morning students, welcome to Maths class. So today we are going to learn the new chapter Applications of Vector Algebra. What is that? Applications of Vector Algebra. So in 11th standard itself we have learned about the definitions of vector algebra, definitions of vectors and some basics of the vector algebra we have learned. So now we are going to recall whatever we learned from the 11th standard. So what is vector? Vector is a quantity. Vector is a quantity which is determined by both magnitude and direction. Both magnitude and direction. But what is scalar? Scalar is a quantity. It is determined by only magnitude. So you must know the difference between scalar and vector. What is vector? Vector is a quantity which is determined by both magnitude and direction. But what is scalar? Scalar is a quantity which is determined by only magnitude. So we will see some examples for vector. So we can say work done, then torque, velocity. So these are the example for magnitude, these are the example for vectors. And for scalar we could say speed, distance, etc. So these are the examples for vector and scalar. So what is a vector? Vector, it must have a starting point and a terminal point. Suppose A to B. So maybe the magnitude is what? 8 units. We have the direction from A to B. So AB vector is equal to A vector. So that's why I am putting the arrow mark here. So now we are going to see where we are using the vectors. நம்ம கேரம் போர்டுல பார்த்திருப்போம். So கேரம் போர்டு நம்ம கேரம் போர்டுல பார்த்திருப்போம். சரியா? Using the steiger either we can hit what? Either black coin or red coin. சரியா? அப்ப கண்டிப்பா என்ன இருக்கும்? அந்த distance இருக்கணும். அந்த distance இருக்கணும். So அதானது magnitude. Also we have what? Direction. So this is called what? Vector. Vector we have initial point. Maybe we take A as what? Initial point and the end point, terminal point B. So we have a direction from A to B. We have a direction from A to B. Maybe we take it as A vector. So that's why we are putting the arrow symbol in each vectors. So AB vector we can write as what? A vector. A vector. So here A is what? Initial point and B is what? Terminal point, end point. So now we are going to see the types of vector. First one is zero vector. Second one is co-initial vector. Third one is collinear vector, equal vectors, free vectors, unit vector and position vector. So these two are very important, unit vector and position vector. So first we will see about zero vector. So first we are going to see zero vector. So what is zero vector? A vector whose initial point and end point, terminal point coincide. So which means what? We don't have any direction, also we don't have any magnitude. So both initial point and the terminal point coincides. So this is called what? Zero vector. It is denoted by zero vector. So what is zero vector? A vector whose initial point and the terminal point coincide. So that is called what? Zero vector. It is denoted by zero vector. And next we will see the co-initial vector. Co-initial vectors. From the topic itself we have the co-initial vectors. So vectors starting from the same point. Maybe A, OA, OB, OC, OD. So these are what? Starting from the same point. Maybe not only O, we can take any other point. X also we can take. So vector starting from the same point. OA is a vector, OB is a vector, or XC is a vector, XD is a vector. So starting from the same point, so these vectors are called what? Co-initial vectors. So now we are going to see collinear vectors. What is collinear vectors? Two or more vectors are said to be collinear vectors if they are parallel to the same line. Suppose take the line, consider the line AB. So we can say that the line CD and the line AB are what? Parallel. We know about what is parallel lines. Parallel lines mean what? The distance between the two lines from the starting point to the ending point is what? Same. So the line AB and CD are what? Parallel. So here is what? The line from A to B, we have the direction, and here is what? Direction is what? From C to D. So we have same direction. So these two lines are what? These two lines are what? Parallel. So likewise X to Y or Y to X. பாருங்க இங்க direction change ஆகுது. So collinear vector நம்ம என்ன பண்ண தேவையில்ல. நம்ம we don't bother about the magnitude and the direction. We don't bother about the magnitude and the direction. Our two or more vectors are said to be collinear vectors if they are parallel to the same line irrespective of their magnitude and direction. So if A vector and B vector are collinear, we can say that A vector equal to lambda times of B vector. So now we are going to see about equal vectors. What are equal vectors? Two vectors are said to be equal if they have same magnitude. If they have same magnitude and the same direction regardless of the position of their initial point. Suppose here you take the two vectors AB and CD are what? Same direction. Same direction. Also what? The magnitude 8 units. Yes or no? So these two vectors are what? Equal vectors. Here you see that the vectors XY and PQ. These two vectors also what? Equal vectors. Here you don't bother about the initial point, but we have what? Same direction and the same magnitude. Same direction and the same magnitude. பாரு ரெண்டுமே என்னது? North east தான், இதுவும் என்னது? North east. ரெண்டுமே என்னது? Same direction. அதே மாதிரி same magnitude 7 units தான். So the vectors XY and PQ are what? Equal vectors. But here you see that FG vector and here RS vector. So FG vector and RS vector. So maybe here is what? 6 units. Here also 6 units. Same magnitude, but what? We have the opposite direction. இங்க பாரு, இங்க from left to right, அங்க இருக்கு right to left. அப்ப direction change ஆகுது. So these are what? Not an equal vectors. So இந்த ரெண்டு வெக்டார்ஸும் equal vectors இல்ல. ஏன்? Same magnitude, same direction இல்ல. Same magnitude இருக்கு, ஆனா இல்ல direction இல்ல. So what are equal vectors? If they have same magnitude and the same direction are called what? Equal vectors. Suppose from A to B. So I take AB vector is equal to A vector and BA vector is equal to minus A vector. Why minus A? Because we have same magnitude but in what? Opposite direction. அப்போ வெக்டார்ஸ்ல same magnitude ஆ இருந்து டைரக்ஷன் மட்டும் சேஞ்ச் ஆனா என்ன பண்ணனும்? மைனஸ் அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கணும். So AB vector equal to A vector means what is BA vector? Minus A vector. That is same magnitude but in opposite direction. So this is called what? Negative of a vector. Now we are going to see free vectors. What are free vectors? Vectors of same magnitude and the same direction. இங்க பாரு AB vector, CD vector, XY vector. These are what? Same magnitude and same direction. ஆனா அது நமக்கு எங்க ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட் எங்க எண்டிங் பாயிண்ட் அவசியம் இல்லை. நமக்கு முக்கியமானது என்னன்னா சேம் டைரக்ஷனா இருக்கணும், அதே மாதிரி சேம் மேக்னிட்யூடா இருக்கணும், அதே மாதிரி ஒரே parallel எல்லாமே இருக்கணும், parallel இருக்கணும். சரிங்களா? So this is called what? Free vectors. So same magnitude and the same direction but in different places. சரிங்களா? These are called what? Free vectors. Now we are going to see unit vector. What is unit vector? Vector with length 1 or magnitude 1 or modulus 1. So this is called what? Unit vector. So it is denoted by A cap. So எங்கெல்லாம் A cap வருதோ அதெல்லாம் அது unit vectors. So what is A cap? A cap is equal to A vector by modulus of A vector. Unit vector in the direction is nothing but you take the vector A vector and divide it by with its magnitude modulus of A vector. So this is called what? Unit vector. So what is unit vector? Vector with length 1. So it is denoted by A cap. We are going to see position vector. Suppose O be the origin in space or plane, wherever it is. So let O be the origin. So vectors OP vector, OQ vector. So these vectors are called position vectors. OP vector and OQ vectors are called what? Position vectors. அதாவது origin இருந்து start ஆகணும். origin இருந்து start ஆகிற vectors என்னது? Position vectors. So starting from the origin and terminal point what? Wherever it is. But starting point is what? Origin. So origin இருந்து start ஆகுறது என்னது? Position vectors. Going to learn scalar product or dot product. So what is scalar product or dot product? Suppose you take a line OA and OB. So OA we can take it as what? A vector, and OB we can take it as what? B vector. So what is theta? Theta is the angle between A vector and the B vector. The scalar product or dot product between A vector and B vector is equal to what? A vector or B vector is equal to modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector into cos theta. So what is theta? Theta is the angle between A vector and B vector. So here theta is what? 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi. சரிங்களா? அதே மாதிரி we will see some properties. So A vector dot B vector is equal to what? B vector dot A vector. அப்ப the dot product is what? Commutative. So dot product is commutative. Suppose what is I vector dot I vector and J vector dot J vector and K vector dot K vector. அதாவது I cap dot I cap, J cap dot J cap, K cap dot K cap is equal to what? 1. ஏனா இந்த I cap I cap சேம் லைன் இருக்கும். அப்ப நம்ம சப்போஸ் what is I cap dot I cap? So நம்ம எழுதலாம் modulus of I cap modulus of I cap cos I cap I cap சேம் லைன்ல அப்ப ஆங்கிள் ஆயிடும் 0 டிகிரி ஆயிடும். அப்ப modulus of I cap யூனிட் வெக்டார் அதனால 1 modulus of I cap யூனிட் வெக்டார் 1 cos 0 ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன 1. சரிங்களா? அப்ப I cap dot I cap is equal to what? 1 ஆயிடும். Suppose what is I cap dot J cap? இதோட வேல்யூ 0 ஆயிடும். ஏனா I வெக்டாருக்கும் J வெக்டாருக்கும் ஆங்கிள் அது 90 டிகிரி ஆகும். அப்ப I cap dot J cap நம்ம எழுதலாம் modulus of I cap modulus of J cap into cos 90. So what is modulus of I cap? 1. Modulus of J cap 1. What is the value of cos 90? 0. அப்ப எல்லாமே 0 ஆயிடும். அப்ப I cap dot J cap equal to 0 னா இருக்கும். சரியா? அப்ப angle கண்டிப்பா 90 டிகிரியா இருக்கும். Now we are going to see an important note. So if A vector dot B vector is equal to 0, if and only if A vector is perpendicular to B vector. So if A vector dot B vector is equal to 0, if and only if A vector is perpendicular to B vector. அதே மாதிரி what is I cap dot I cap and J cap dot J cap, K cap dot K cap is equal to what? 1. But what is I cap dot J cap and J cap dot K cap, then K cap dot I cap இந்த வேல்யூ என்னது 0 ஆயிடும். ஏனா I க்கும் J க்கும் ஆங்கிள் அது 90 டிகிரி ஆயிடும். அப்ப ஆங்கிள் எடுக்கும்போது cos 90 னா 0 ஆயிடும். அதே மாதிரி J க்கும் K க்கும் ஆங்கிள் 90 டிகிரி ஆகும். அப்ப ஆங்கிள் cos 90 ஆயிடும் 0 ஆயிடும். சரிங்களா? So these are the important notes. Now we are going to see dot product in terms of components. Suppose A vector is equal to A1 I cap and A2 J cap, A3 K cap. And what is B cap? B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap. So what is A vector dot B vector? It is A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap dot B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap. So the dot product எடுக்கும்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்? I components எடுத்து I components மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணு. அப்ப A1 into B1 a1 b1. Next in I components எடுத்து j components ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும் a1 b2 கிடைக்கும். அதுல I cap dot j cap கிடைக்கும். But what is the value of I cap dot j cap? 0 ஆயிடும். சரிங்களா? அதே மாதிரி a1 with k cap எடுக்கும்போது என்ன ஆயிடும்? angle 0 ஆயிடும். சரியா? அதனால என்ன பண்ணு I components ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க, j components ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க, k components ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. அப்ப இங்க I components a1, அங்க I components b1. அப்ப a1 b1. அதே மாதிரி இங்க j components a2, அங்க j components b2. அப்ப a2 into b2. இங்க k components a3, அங்க k components b3. அப்ப a3 b3. சரிங்களா? அப்ப டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் எடுக்கும்போது in terms of components டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் எடுக்கும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க I components ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க, j components ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க, k components ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. Suppose a vector equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Suppose a vector equal to 2i cap minus 3j plus 4 cap. And what is b vector is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. அப்ப நம்ம டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் எடுக்கும்போது a vector dot b vector எடுக்கும்போது இங்க I components 2 and I components 1a. அப்ப 2 into 1 plus இங்க j components minus 3 அங்க j components 1a. அப்ப minus 3 into 1. இங்க k components 4 அங்க k components 1a. அப்ப 4 into 1. அப்ப டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் எடுக்கும்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம் இப்படி தான் டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்ப 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 4 into 1 4. So 2 plus 4 6 minus 3 equal to 3. So 3 is a scalar. That's why we are saying that this dot product as a scalar product. Now we are going to learn exercise 6.1 problems. So first sum, prove by vector method that if a line is drawn from center of a circle to the midpoint of the chord, then the line is perpendicular to the chord. So what is that? A line is drawn from the center of the circle. So here we have a circle. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle and AB is a chord. We know what is chord. Chord is what? If you take any circle, if you join any 2 points on the circle, this is what chord. You can join any 2 points on the circle, is called what? Chord. So here O is the center of the circle and AB is the chord. So what they given in the question? If a line is drawn from the center of the circle. So here the line is what? OC. So the line enga varayiranga to the chord. AB is the chord. If a line is drawn from the center of the circle to the midpoint of the chord, appa C iruknadu AB oda midpoint. So if a line is drawn from the center of the circle to the midpoint of the chord, we have to prove that this OC and AB are perpendicular. Adhaadu the line OC and the chord AB is perpendicular. So when the two lines are perpendicular, if A vector is perpendicular to B vector, when A vector dot B vector equal to 0. So adhe மாதிரி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம் this line OC vector and AB vector and dot product 0 வரதா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லலாம் OC is perpendicular to AB. Let O be the center of the circle. Let AB be a chord. Take O as origin. So OA vector. We know that what is the position vector? Since the line OA is starting from the origin, so these are what? Position vector. So OA vector equal to A vector. OB vector is equal to B vector. And C is what? Midpoint of the chord AB. OA and OB is what? Radius. So modulus of OA vector is equal to modulus of OB vector is equal to what? Radius. So we know that in circle all the radius are equal in length. அப்போ OA ஓட length-உம் OB ஓட length தான் இருக்கும் equal இருக்கும். Also what is C? C is the midpoint of the chord. So since C is the midpoint of AB, this C we can write as what? OC vector is equal to what? OA vector plus OB vector by 2. அதாவது a vector plus b vector by 2. So OC vector is equal to what? A vector plus b vector by 2. But what we have to prove? We have to prove that its line OC and AB are perpendicular. So perpendicular நம்ம dot product 0 இருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணலாம். அப்போ OC vector dot AB vector. So what is OC vector? We have found that A vector plus B vector by 2 dot this AB vector. How can we write? We can write as what? OB vector minus OA vector. நம்ம position vector ல பார்த்திருக்கோம். What is AB vector? OB vector minus OA vector. This A plus B we can write as what? B plus A. ஏனா addition is what? Commutative. So B A vector plus B vector is equal to what? B vector plus A vector by 2 dot OB vector we have taken as what? B vector minus OA vector we have taken as what? A vector. So B vector minus A vector. Here we have to multiply these two fractions. Of course இங்க நம்ம என்ன ஆர்டர்ல கன்சிடர் பண்ணோம்? ஒன் ஆர்டர்ல கன்சிடர் பண்ணோம். எப்படி ரெண்டு fraction மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம்? Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator. So B plus A into B minus A is equal to what? B plus A into B minus A is equal to what? B square minus A square by 2. But what is B? This OA and OB is what? Radius. They are equal in length. So we will get what? 0. So 0 by 2 is what? 0. Appo OC vector dot AB vector is equal to 0. It implies what? OC is perpendicular to AB. OC is perpendicular to AB. So எப்பவுமே ரெண்டு வெக்டாருக்கு டாட் ப்ராடக்ட் 0 வந்தா அந்த ரெண்டு வெக்டாரும் perpendicular. We know that. Yes or no? So here B square minus A square equal to 0. Yeah, B square minus A square equal to 0. OA into radius, OB into radius. So OA என்னது A vector, OB என்னது B vector. இதெல்லாம் ரேடியஸ் எடுத்தால நம்ம என்ன பண்ணல வெக்டார் போடல. So B square minus A square இதெல்லாம் அந்த ஸ்கேலாரா தான் கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கங்க. அப்ப இதோட லெந்த் ஈக்குவலா இருக்கும். ஆனா அத ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணி சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணா 0 ஆயிடும். So B square minus A square equal to what? 0. So OC vector dot AB vector equal to 0. So OC is perpendicular to AB. So that's what we have proved, that if a line is drawn from the center of the circle to the midpoint of the chord, the line is what? Perpendicular to the chord. Hence proved. Now exercise 6.1 second sum. Prove by vector method that the median to the base of an isosceles triangle is perpendicular to the base. So we know what is median. Median is a line segment which joins any one of the vertices of triangle and midpoint of its opposite side. Here OAB is a triangle. So what is median? Median is the line segment which joins any one of the vertex of triangle and midpoint of its opposite side. So which means what? C is midpoint of AB. So here OC is the median. So the median to the base of an isosceles triangle is perpendicular to the base. Here base is what? AB. So what we have to prove that? Here we have to prove that OC and AB are perpendicular. What is that? OC and AB are perpendicular. So we know that when the two lines are perpendicular, whose dot product is 0. அப்ப dot product 0 வந்தா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லலாம்? அதாவது OC vector dot AB vector 0 வந்தா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லலாம்? OC is perpendicular to AB சொல்லலாம். சரிங்களா? So here let OA be an isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? Any two sides of triangle are equal. So here I will take OA and OB are equal. That's what I put line here. So OA and OB are equal. So let OA be an isosceles triangle in which OA is equal to OB. Let O be the origin. So OA vector we will take this one A vector and OB vector is equal to B vector. So here we said that C is what? Midpoint of AB. So since C is the midpoint of AB, so OC vector we can write as what? OA vector plus OB vector by 2. But what is OA vector? A vector and OB vector B vector. So OC vector equal to A vector plus B vector by 2. Then what is AB vector? AB vector is equal to what? OB vector minus OA vector. So we have to prove that OC vector dot AB vector equal to 0. OC vector dot AB vector. What is OC vector? A vector plus b vector by 2 dot what is AB vector? OB vector minus OA vector. So this A plus B we can write as what? B vector plus A vector by 2 dot OB vector we can write as B vector and OA vector we can write as A vector. So here multiply these two, b plus a into b minus a, b square minus a square. இங்க denominator ஒண்ணுக்கு அர்த்தம், அப்ப 2 into 1 2. So b square minus a square. But what is OA and OB? They are equal because what? This OA and OB are equal since this triangle is what? Isosceles triangle. அப்ப ரெண்டு சைடு என்னது equal. அப்ப OA இந்த சைடும் OB இந்த சைடு equal. So OA is what? A vector. OB is what? B vector. So A vector equal to B vector. அதனால b square minus a square என்ன ஆயிடும்? 0 ஆயிடும். So 0 by 2 0. So OC vector dot AB vector equal to 0. OC is the median, AP is the base. So what we have to prove here? So if the median is drawn to the base AB, the median is what? Perpendicular to the base. Another OC is the median, AB is the base. This OC and AB are perpendicular. Because OC dot AB vector, OC vector dot AB vector equal to 0. So OC is perpendicular to AB. Hence proved. Now exercise 6.1 third sum. Prove by vector method that an angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Angle in a semicircle. So you know what is semicircle? Half of the circle. So here you consider as ACB is a semicircle. So we will take this angle ACB. Angle ACB is a right angle. நம்ம அததான் வெரிஃபை பண்ணுவோம். அதாவது 90 degree அது right angle. So let C be any point on the circumference of the semicircle and AB is the diameter. We know what is diameter. So diameter also one of the chord. If you join any two points on the circle is called what? Chord. Suppose if the chord is passing through the center, then it is called what? Diameter. So AOB is what? Diameter. We will take it as AB is the diameter. Okay. So let AB be the diameter and OB be the center of the semicircle. So here O is what? Center of the semicircle. So in the center na OA, OB, this OC and what? Radius. சரியா? So what is radius? Radius is the distance between the center and any point on the circle. So ACB another point on the semicircle. அப்ப OA, OB, OC na radius. So OC equal to OA is equal to OB or what? Radius. Now what we have to prove that the CA vector and the CB vector we have to prove that perpendicular. அப்ப perpendicular ஆ இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? இந்த angle 90 degree ஆ இருக்கும். CA CB யும் perpendicular ஆ இருந்தா மட்டும் தான் நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? இந்த ACB angle 90 degree ஆ இருக்கும். அப்ப CA vector we can write as what? CO vector plus OA vector. Why? Because you take a triangle ACO. We know that angle of addition of vector is what? So CO, this CA we can write as what? CO vector plus OA vector. So any two sides in the same direction, third side is what? Reverse direction. The third side is what? Sum of the other two sides. So CA vector is equal to what? CO vector plus OA vector. அதே மாதிரி what is CB vector? This CB vector we can write as what? CO vector plus OB vector. CB vector we can write as what? CO vector plus OB vector. So here you have to listen carefully. This OA and OB are what? Radius. So they are equal in length. In the direction பாரு O to A is what? From right to left and O to B is what? From left to right. But they are equal in magnitude, only opposite direction. So we have learned about the negative of the vector. So equal magnitude, opposite direction நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிடலாம்? மைனஸா மாத்திக்கலாம். அப்ப OA வும் OB யும் equal. இந்த OA க்கு OB னா இருக்கு opposite direction இருந்தா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிடலாம்? இந்த OB ய minus OA வெக்டரா மாத்திக்கங்க. OA வும் OB யும் equal. So OA க்கு OB opposite direction இருக்கு. ஆனா அந்த OB நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்? minus OA வ மாத்திக்கங்க. அப்ப CB vector is equal to what? CO vector minus OA vector. So we will find the dot product of CA vector and the CB vector. What is CA vector? CO vector plus OA vector dot CB vector is what? CO vector minus OA vector. It is in the form of what? A plus B into A minus B. The CO OA CO OA எல்லாமே என்னது ரேடியஸ். அதனால நம்ம மட்டும் மாடுலஸ் எடுத்துக்கலாம். அப்ப A plus B into A minus B is what? A square minus B square. அப்ப CO square minus OA square. So எல்லாமே equal in length. So அதோட subtraction ஆயிடும் 0 மாறிடும். அப்ப CA vector dot CB vector equal to 0 means what? CA is perpendicular to, so we have proved that angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Ninth sum, using vector method, prove that cos of alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Cos of alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. So first we'll draw the x-axis and the y-axis with origin. Let A cap is equal to OA vector and B cap is equal to OB vector. Be the unit vector. We know what is unit vector. Vector of length 1 is called what? Unit vector. So let A cap and B cap be the unit vectors which make angles alpha and beta respectively with the positive x-axis. அதாவது OA இந்த லைன் என்ன பண்ணுது? x-axis ஓட alpha என்ற angle மேக் பண்ணுது. அதே மாதிரி OB என்ற இன்னொரு லைன் இருக்கு. So இந்த OB என்ற லைன் x-axis ஓட beta என்ற angle மேக் பண்ணுது. சரியா? So now you draw the perpendicular line AL and BM. You draw the perpendicular line AL and BM. So what is the angle between OA and the x-axis alpha and OB with the x-axis what? Beta. So what is the angle between OA and OB? Is called what? Alpha minus beta. So இது ஃபுல்லா alpha. இதுக்கு இடையில என்ன இருக்கு? பீட்டா இருக்கு. So இது பீட்டா. அப்ப இந்த ஆங்கிள் கண்டிப்பா என்ன இருக்கும்? ஆல்பா மைனஸ் பீட்டாவா தான் இருக்கும். So we have to know about the coordinates of A. So we have taken as what? First quadrant. In the first quadrant x ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன இருக்கும்? பாசிட்டிவா இருக்கும். y ஓட வேல்யூ பாசிட்டிவா இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி இங்கேயும் x ஓட வேல்யூ பாசிட்டிவா இருக்கும். y ஓட வேல்யூ பாசிட்டிவா இருக்கும். So here we don't know the coordinates of x and y. So we will find the coordinates of x and y. OAL is a right angle triangle. Right angle at L and angle is what? Alpha. So நமக்கு தெரியும் angle க்கு opposite side என்னது? Opposite side angle ஓட adjacent ஆவது adjacent side இந்த 90 degree opposite side என்னது? Hypotenuse. சரிங்களா? அப்ப what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here theta is what? Alpha. So cos alpha is equal to adjacent side OL. Hypotenuse side is what? OA. But this OL is what? X and OA is what? Unit vector. So its length is what? 1. So which means what? X is equal to cos alpha. Likewise, what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So here theta is what? Alpha and opposite side is what? AL. And hypotenuse is what? OA. So sin alpha is equal to AL is what? Y and OA is what? Unit vector. So y is equal to sin alpha. Appo the coordinates of A is what? Cos alpha sin alpha. Idu நம்ம எக்ஸாம்ல எழுதணும் அவசியம் இல்ல. So coordinates of A is what? Cos alpha sin alpha. Similarly coordinates of B is what? Cos beta sin beta. What is A cap? A cap is equal to what? OA vector. A cap is equal to what? OA vector. You consider the right angle triangle OLM. So this OA I can write as what? OL plus LA. So OA vector I can write as what? OL vector plus LA vector. அதாவது x coordinates and y coordinates. X coordinates னா cos alpha. இந்த x axis நம்ம எப்பவுமே என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? யூனிட் வெக்டரா i cap எடுத்துங்க. அதே மாதிரி y axisல யூனிட் வெக்டரா j cap எடுத்துங்க. அதனால cos alpha i cap plus sin alpha j cap. Adhe what is B cap? B cap is equal to what? OB vector. This OB vector, how can you find? You take a right angle triangle OMB. So OB with the right is what? OM plus MB. So OM vector plus MB vector. So அதாவது இந்த B ஓட x coordinates y coordinates அதாவது cos beta I cap plus sin beta j cap. நம்ம கிராஃப்ல வரையும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? x coordinates, suppose x coordinates 2, 3 னா x axis ல 2 units, y axis ல 3 units. அது மாதிரி எடுத்து நம்ம plot பண்ணுவோம்ல, அதே மாதிரி தான் இங்க என்னது? x coordinates cos beta, y coordinates sin beta. So by definition, what is a cap dot b cap? Modulus of a cap into modulus of b cap, and angle between a and b is what? Cos theta. அதாவது a vector dot b vector is what? Modulus of a vector modulus of b vector into cos theta. But theta is what? Angle between a cap and b cap. Here angle is what? Alpha minus beta. Since a cap and b cap are what? Unit vectors, we take test 1. So cos of alpha minus beta. So a cap dot b cap is equal to what? Cos of alpha minus beta. So a cap dot b cap is equal to cos of alpha minus beta. We'll take it as a first equation. Now what is a cap dot b cap in terms of components? So what is a cap? Cos alpha I cap plus sin alpha j cap dot cos beta I cap plus sin beta j cap. We know how to find the dot product. Take I components, multiply with I components. So cos alpha, cos beta. What is I cap dot I cap? Value is what? 1. அதே மாதிரி j component sin alpha, sin beta. Then j vector dot j vector is what? 1. So a cap dot b cap is equal to what? Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Take it as a second equation. From 1 and 2 we can say that cos of alpha minus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. From 1 and 2 we can say that cos of alpha minus beta is equal to what? Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Hence proved.